Right, okay, let's get back to it. Let's get back to that sky. Right. Top tip, paint, when your paint starts getting, so that it doesn't come out, cut it off high ups, because you want to keep cutting as it goes down. Cut it off one of these food bag things, you get from the supermarket. Whoops daisy. Whoops. Hang on. There we go. One of these on it, and Bob's your uncle. You get tons of paint out of there. Yeah. Okay. Right, here we go. Let's go back into that. Oh, that's nice and dark. I like a bit of drama. Oh yes. Now you're talking. See the difference? And the paint has gone like butter, like oil paint, which is what I want. Very nice. Still patchy. Now, only the top part of this is going to be shine blue. Right, okay, so I've just put another layer of the dark midnight blue in the sky, okay, just to cover it, make it a bit darker. Okay, let's get a move on. Let's start putting some of these clouds in here. So I'm going to mix sort of creamy yellow. Hold on. Just a little bit. A little bit of, I call it undercloud. It's just a thin layer of cloud. Then we want it very wispy and thin. Wispy and coming down over these mountains. Maybe I'll put some other colours in there. What am I looking for? Bluey looking. There. It's looking all right. I'd like some more purple in there, so I'll do it. So it's ultramarine and ultramarine and crimson. Quite like that. Need a bit more crimson. It's not a bad idea to have different colours like that in your mountains as well. It's not a bad idea because you're going to come over that. I like that as well. Put a bit of that in there. Okay, try that. I might quite like it. There, and we'll come down over that. So, right. Okay, excellent, excellent. Right, next thing is to get some cream. Get some cream. I'm still doing undercloud. It's going to be, this is just a bit thicker, so you've got that thin undercloud. And then you go in with a slightly thicker paint like this. And it's all about shapes, it is, so, ooh, like that. It's all about shapes. When you get to like the final stage like that, okay. I'm gonna come down over those mountains a little bit, especially there. And you see what it's done? See what it's done? It's made them look like they're in the mist in the background as well. Okay, right. Always go with that if you don't like that. And let's start. Let's have another go. Slightly thicker. slightly thicker. You see, I'm also going to use, you know, the white that I was talking about that goes thick when you leave it out for a few hours. I'll just a little bit like that. Right, just a bit. Yeah. Do sort of irregular lines, you know, like that. Yeah. And I'm gonna, whoops. Aiming for the tops of these grasses. You know. Just to make them look like, you know, seed heads and like things. Okay. There. There. Now, just don't want to overdo that. But of course I need to, don't I? What we shouldn't do, I always do. There. There. You seed heads on there. Right, now the only other thing that I can think of, that looks misty, doesn't it? Very misty. There. There we are. Now, there. Tiny little lighthouse, tiny, tiny, in the way distance. What do you think? Tiny, tiny. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, if you did, it would be really nice of you to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to the channel. And with that, I'll say bye for now, sending lots of love from the land of mist and legend. See you next time.